Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen. Amma ba'du fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 4, which is about Kribus South letters. Okay, in this lesson we have to make clear difference between Kribus South letters, or you can say similar sound letters. Let's start our lesson. First rule is read this lesson rawa. Rawa means without spelling. Like we will not pronounce or read this lesson like ta zabarta, ta zerti, ta peshtu. This is wrong way for this lesson. Okay, we have to pronounce like ta, ti, tu directly. To, ti, tu without spelling. Okay, next rule is take special care in pronouncing the harakat correctly. Like make clear difference between this zabar, this is sound of zabar, zer and pesh. Okay, next rule is differentiate clearly between the letters that sound somewhat similar. Okay, we have actually 16 Kribus South letters, and they are ta and ta, za, zal, ra, tha, sin or sad, dal, dod, kaf, qaf, ha, ha, hamza, ain. These are 16 letters. These are Kribus South letters. These are similar sound letters. So this is one thing which is important in this lesson, that we have to make clear difference between Kribus South letters. For example, this is ta, but this is po. This is not from Mustalia letters, but this letter is from Mustalia letters. This letter will be pronounced in thick tone, and this letter will be pronounced in thin tone. Okay, let's apply these rules on this lesson. Ta, ti, tu, to, tui, tu. Okay, this is pronounced in thick tone, and this letter is pronounced in thin tone. This is ta, this is to. Okay, next similar sound letters are zal, za and za. This is za, but this is la. This letter will be pronounced with whistle, and this letter will be pronounced without whistle. Okay, za with whistle with heavy sound, la without whistle softly. Okay, and ra without whistle but in a thick tone. Okay, because this letter is from Mustalia letters. So make clear difference between sounds of these three letters: za, la and la. Za, zi, zu, la, li, lu without whistle. La, ri, zu without whistle and in a thick tone. Next Kribus South or similar sound letters are dod and dal. Okay, this is da, but this is do. Okay, do, di, do and da, di, do. Dod is from Mustalia letters, so you will pronounce this letter in a thick tone, and dal is not from Mustalia letters, so you will not pronounce dal in a thick tone. Next letters are tha, sin and sad. These three letters. So we have to make clear difference between sounds of these three letters. This is tha, tha without whistle, but this is sa with whistle, because sin is from Safiria letters. And this is sa. This letter is from Safiria letters as well as from Mustalia letters. This letter will be pronounced with whistle as well as in a thick tone. But these two letters will be pronounced without these two letters will be pronounced in a thin tone. Sa, si, su, sa, si, su with whistle. Swa, swi, su with whistle as well as in a thick tone. Swa, swi, su. Next letters are ka and qa. We have to make clear difference between these sounds of these two letters. This is pronounced in thin tone and this letter is pronounced in thick tone because this letter is from Safiria letter. This letter is from Mustalia letters. So ka, qa. Okay, ka, ki, ku, qa, qui, qu. In this way. Okay. Next letter is ha. Make clear difference between ha and ha. Ha is pronounced from bottom part of throat and ha is pronounced from middle part of throat. This is ha, this is ha and this is ha. Ha, he, hu, ha, he, hu in this way. And next two letters are Hamza and Ain. Hamza is pronounced from bottom part of throat and Ain is pronounced from middle part of throat. So you have to make clear difference between these two similar sound letters. This is A and this is A, I, I, U, U in this way. A, I, U, A, I, U in this way. Okay. The, other letters are common letters. So the other remaining letters have no similar sound, so you can pronounce them easily. This is kha, khi, khu, gha, ghi, gu, ba, bi, bu, ma, mi, mu, wa, wi, wu, fa, fi, fu, la, li, lu, na, ni, nu,